Do you have the hiccups? What are you going to do?
Just get up to Uncle.
You go to Uncle Michael's house, and what is he going to do to fix your hiccups?
He just can go on their own to stop.
They're just going to go on their own to stop?
And you will hold me.
And I'll hold you? So why do you need Uncle Michael?
I just did have some hiccups in my seat, and I made them and with Ducky and them and Uncle Michael has his.
In Uncle Michael's house? Okay. Can you say bye, Uncle Michael?
Bye, Uncle Michael.